wildest, funniest Super Bowl commercials of all time. So, this is requested. We're doing it. Ready, set, go. Let's react. What is the grandma doing? Oh my god!
Mike, what is your deal, man?
Come on, man. You've been riding me all day.
Mike, you're playing like Betty White out there.
That's not what your girlfriend said.
Baby. Eat Snickers. Better?
Okay. Alright, that is... What?
That hurt.
You're not you when you're hungry. Snickers satisfies.
My brother is joining _.
Okay. How is this a Super Bowl commercial?
It's time for E-Trade, the #1 place to invest online.
Bro,
Next round of Bud
what?
Lights on me.
All right, thanks, Steve. Yo, Steve, fist bump is out, man.
Really? What's
Why is it?
cool?
What the fuck?
Refreshingly smooth Bud Light. Always worth it.
Nice job in there, Larson. You saved the account.
What the fuck?
Hi. Aw, thank you. Have a seat. Kyle, Jalen. Jalen, Kyle. Jalen, you play nice. I'll be right back.
What?
What's going on, little man? I see you got your game skills down, Pack. You might have your hands full once. I'll pick up the controller, though, man.
Put it back. Keep your hands on my mama. Keep your hands on my Doritos.
Jalen, are you playing nice?
What the fuck?
Yeah, just your typical Super Bowl car ad. Right? Or a hilarious beer ad. Or whatever ad this is.
Whatever.
But it's a Tide ad.
What?
It's a Tide ad.
What makes it a Tide ad?
There are no stains. Look at those clean clothes. What else would this be an ad
I
for?
am so...
Diamond?
A gift that lasts for no Tide.
It's time for a cold refreshment.
Tide ad.
Fall into the sleep.
They're just literally saying...
No.
Okay.
Tide ad. It's Tide. Tide.
Meet the all-new.
No, it's a Tide ad. Tide.
So.
I am so confused!
A Tide ad? I think it does.
I close my window.
Watch and see.
My window's open.
Hello again, ladies.
Okay.
Is your man the kind of man who would climb the height? I'm in a Tide ad.
Nice pants.
Get off my horse.
Okay.
Tide ad. Sometimes.
Okay, they're literally going too far.
Whenever you see clothes this clean, that's a Tide ad.
Clean clothes may be an indication of a Tide ad. Tide users experience 10 times more cleaning power. Tide is America's #1 detergent in America.
Okay.
Beautiful. Like a Tide ad.
Wow, how long is this commercial?
Sarah? Sarah. It's a Tide ad.
I am so lost.
Just thought you might want to know, sales aren't up, they're down.
Okay. Oh, this got copyrighted. Is that what it is? I can't hear it. Or is my headphones?
Job, we've got the most. CareerBuilder.com.
So it seems pretty clear that buying lottery tickets is not a good business plan. That's weird. So, very funny.
Okay.
Let's continue. We got a lot to get through. All right, if we look to the other sectors that we can... Okay, come on, guys.
Okay. Bro!
New job, we've got the most. CareerBuilder.com.
These are out of... These are so crazy.
Good afternoon and welcome. What?
Okay.
I say good afternoon and welcome. Can we release the masks? Just take them off. How can we be a secret... How can we be a secret society if we can't keep all of our secrets?
Do they know we faked the moon landing?
No, not yet.
Or that there are only 49 shades of gray?
They're suspicious, but that's not what I'm talking about.
What about Bigfoot?
Bigfoot's not real and everyone knows that.
Did they figure out we deflated the football?
No, we found a fall guy for that one.
Bigfoot's definitely real.
Nope.
We'll just have to agree to disagree.
What about Area 51? Do they know about that?
No.
How about Area 52 to 54?
No, stop saying areas. No areas plus a number.
Literally hundreds of photos of Bigfoot.
Okay.
Yeah, I saw him once. Wait,
See?
wait, Bigfoot? I'm getting it wrong. Paul Bunyan?
Point is, someone is leaking this stuff.
Why are you looking at me?
I'm not looking at you, Anne.
I've seen his footprint when I was
Scott!
Scott!
What they do know is that avocados from Mexico have good fat.
So they know they're healthy.
They know everything. Kyle, are you streaming this?
Is that not cool?
No, it's not cool. That's what secret means. It's a secret society.
Oh, wow. Secret. Yep. Hey, I got a like.
You got a like?
That was me.
I like you too.
At least they don't know about subliminal advertising. That's not even a thing, right?
Eat them!
What the?
Avocados from Mexico.
When we asked Reebok to send us
What just happened?
people thought we were crazy. But I'm a firm believer in
What just
paradigm
happened?
breaking, outside the box thinking.
Hey, buddy.
It was over 15 minutes ago, Mitch! And since Terry's been with us, our productivity has gone up 46%. We're getting more from our employees than ever before.
You know you need a cover sheet on your TPS reports, Richard. That ain't new, baby. Hey, Janice.
But what's really impressive is how Terry's become part of the Felcher family. He fits right in here.
That's a long distance call, Doug.
To be honest,
What's
I wish Reebok sent us
Hello,
10
everyone.
Terry Tates.
Oh.
It's pay time, baby.
What the Oh my god!
Oh, no. Rod, you sent this email, reply all. You hit reply all.
At Raven High, black, large square.
Oh my god!
You know I was wrong. You just sent this email to me. Could you imagine?
Yeah, good thing he didn't
For drivers who
overreact.
want to get the most out of their
At Yuri
cars,
High.
it's Bridgestone or nothing.
Holy shit! That was fucking good. What the? I don't even know how to. Okay. Dude. Okay. That was a good video. Holy shit. Okay. Okay. I'm about to cut streams, so it's a good day, dude. We got a lot done. I love your lovely faces, and oh my goodness, thank you for everybody for tuning in and being so amazing. I love you guys so much. You guys are part of my world. I love your lovely faces. I'm going to bed. Have a good night.